Guys, check out my new favorite channel. It is so good. Oh my god. Look at it.
Do it! Just do it! Don't let your dreams be dreams. Yesterday, you said tomorrow, so just do it!
Yo guys, what's up? Welcome to Gaming Burnz. This is Anirudh with another video. So today we're going to be talking how to actually play GTA 5 on Android devices. So make sure you watch the whole video because I'm going to be telling you all 2 ways to play GTA 5. So make sure you watch the video till the very end, guys, and leave a like and comment below. And if you need any other video, please feel free to ask down in the comment section, as this video is requested by Antonio D. Luca. And if you are new to our channel, click on that big red subscribe button and that big bell button to get notified whenever we release a new video, because we make more of this great content on gaming news and lots of tech reviews. So make sure you hit that big red subscribe button and that big bell button to get notified whenever we release a new video. So without any further ado, let's get started.
Pineapple, apple, pen.
So as I said, I'm going to be showing you all 2 ways to play GTA 5. So the first one is to play GTA 5 clones on Android. So on our list, the first one is Mad Big City 2 Online, guys. So this is the best clone you can ever get on Android for GTA 5. And I've got like 3 clones for GTA 5 for Android, as you can watch the whole video. So actually, this clone is better than all the ones because of its high graphics, but the only downside is that it's online. And if you want to get the hack mod where cheats will be there and those all, then click on the link in the description, because I made a special video on that hack mod for Mad Big City 2 Online. So the second game we're going to talk about is Mad Slums GTA 5 or something. Well, it recently got released in Play Store and it has a rating like 4.2 or 4.4. So guys, this is not exactly a good game, guys. It's not a good GTA 5 clone because we can only play as Trevor. There are no guns, only like 2 or 3. And the space is like 140 MB. And the graphics are meant to be in dustbin. There are only a few missions. And there is a very small map. So I don't think you want to play this game. But if you want to download this game, then check the link in the description. It's the Play Store link, guys. So the game we're going to talk about now is Lost in Crimes. Well, many people might have heard of it. This game is created by our user games, by Rahul and Ritik. I don't know their names perfectly. So they designed the full city, but they didn't release it yet. So we can wait for further updates until those get released, so that we can get the ultimate GTA 5 experience on Android absolutely for free. So this game is made using Unity, and there's not much to speak about it. So I think we can move on to our second way of playing GTA 5 on Android. So the second way is not the best one because it is paid and it requires an internet connection. So you guys might have guessed it, it's Vortex Cloud Gaming. Well, it's one of the best choice because at just 9.99 USD per month, we can play almost like all the hits and all the titles released for other platforms on Android device, and that too just for 9.99 USD per month. So it's actually pretty good choice to sign up for this one. So actually, to talk about Vortex Cloud Gaming, well, the controls we find is PS4 or Xbox, I don't know. So as you can see, the gameplay, I just started it. So guys, all you're gonna pretty much need for playing this is just some money in your wallet and also a good high-speed internet connection. If you have a good high-speed internet connection, then you can play almost all the games such as Assassin's Creed and those all using Vortex Cloud Gaming app. Well, the link is in the description if you want to download it. So these are my ways to play GTA 5 on Android devices. So if you liked it and if you got to know about something new, then make sure you leave a like on this video and comment below if you need any other video, as this one, as I said, is requested by someone else. So that's all, guys. Thanks for watching. And again, I'm saying, if you are new to our channel, please click on that big red subscribe button to encourage me in more of this great content, and hit on that bell icon to get notified whenever we release some new awesome videos. because actually we provide all the beta games and those all even before it's released into Play Store, or even before it even got the early access option. So make sure you hit that big red subscribe button. So that's all guys, thanks for watching. Meet you all in my next video. This is Gaming Burnz signing off.